starting with the right brush and making straight sweeps from about 2 o'clock to 7, then adding the left brush just over 6 o'clock and sweeping up to 10. I play the swing note with the right brush as it reaches the 2 o'clock point. You can set your metronome at 105, with quarter note beats 1 and 3 occurring at 2 o'clock with the right brush. Then add the hi-hat on 2 and 4. What's most important is a smooth, even flow between the two brushes. The push-pull pattern is just that, both brushes pushing and pulling in opposite directions on the quarter note beat. Then we begin flicking each brush towards the center at the top of each stroke. Then adding the swing note with the left brush near the bottom. Now we start to exaggerate the motions until an up-tempo version of the ballad pattern is developed. As we reverse the process, it becomes clear how these two patterns are related, which means they can be utilized together. I'll show you an example of this later in the video. Inspired from a YouTube demonstration by Ari Honig, this pattern is an example of how the two brushes can each sweep an eighth note triplet while at the same time stay out of each other's way. The slow ballad pattern is unique in that each brush plays a different shape, with the left brush making the shape of a lowercase e, and the right brush making the shape of what appears to be a kidney bean. Put together, these two shapes create the slow ballad pattern. As we can see, the right brush on beat 1 appears to go over the left brush, and for beat 2 goes under the left brush. 1, 2, 3, 4. Over, under, over, under. Section, you'll find a couple of triplet patterns that will help enhance the slow ballad. The pattern on page 49 will help to create an eighth note triplet, while the pattern on page 50 will help create a 16th note triplet. 4 and do 1 and do 1. As I mentioned before, you can play the slow ballad pattern, followed by the push-pull pattern played double time, with a triplet sweep, and then back to the slow ballad pattern. This is an example of how you can mix the different patterns together and then return to the foundational pattern, which in this case is the slow ballad. Also, I encourage you to check out Rick Considine's YouTube video from Main Drag Music. There he demonstrates in great detail how the slow ballad pattern is put together and applied.